Aya, Papa Zenga.
Yes.
How are you, for example?
I'm good, for example.
Where do you think this Kimilili is going?
This Kimilili is not going. I think it is not moving in a right direction. Yes, it is not.
The president has said that we tunajenga barabara haona kama hii.
Barabara iko wapi?
Haijekewa lami.
Iko wapi?
Yeah? Haijekewa lami. How do you feel ukiona unatembea kwa barabara yenye ina lami?
I don't feel good in any way.
Yeah.
Because I'm not walking in a lami.
Sasa kama lami, you are not walking on a lami, afadhali watoto wakule ama barabara inaijengwe na watoto walale njaa.
Sasa hapo barabara is not my issue. Hata hizi nisaidia. Bana basi. President no sim. Pawe kwa shahuria. And if you don't give them food, it means you are a real betrayer, a traitor. Mario Mukora. Mario Mukora runt. Yes.
Oyo bali Papa Zengo mwene.
Mukora.
Harume message ku the president of Kenya. Namazina Papa Zenga.
Yes.
When obona balu ya be khalasi and they are trending like themselves.
Yes.
How do you feel?
They are trending on themselves. And they are not telling us. Are they telling us or not?
But we need money.